What it do, y'all? Yeah, finna swap out this water pump for my homeboy LS53 Tahoe. Yep, leaking from the bottom and squeaking. So we're gonna get this thing off. I'm gonna come back at y'all when I get it off. One. All right, y'all. See, I got that new one on there. Yeah, I got the new one on there now. Old one was shot, y'all. Hear that? Bearing's gone in there. Done deal. Shit, looking like he's gonna be needing a digital pulley and a idle pulley, because all of these making noise. This whole pulley system making noise. Yeah, so I'm gonna have him get on that too. So he might well knock it all out right now. Hopefully he wanna do it all. So all depends on what he wanna do. But we got the pump on there, y'all. I'm gonna come back when I got the belt, fan, everything hooked up, running. I'm gonna bleed it, get all the air bubbles out of it, make sure the heat pumping good, temperature gauge, everything like it's normal, like it's supposed to. So stay tuned, y'all. I'll be right back. One. Alright, y'all, we got everything back together. New water pump on there, up in there. Alright, we're just trying to bring it up to temperature so we can make sure that all the bubbles out, the heat working. Shit, he can come pick his ride up. Yep. So yeah, once I get it running up to temperature, get the heat, everything working right, I'll cut the camera back on for y'all. Stay tuned for a minute. One. What's up, y'all? Yeah, everything checking out good. Fluid topped off. No more leaks. All dry. It's all the old stuff. All dry. Temperature good. Yep. Heat blowing good. Yep. Temperature in good. Staying at normal. So we all good, y'all. Yep. But yeah. That's all I wanted to show y'all. A little water pump job. Popped him off. He's good to go. I got them sitting up there waiting to pop them off, see what's going on with that. 4 fusing up there. So I'm supposed to have a brake job coming too, but I ain't gonna record none of that. So yeah, back in business. Alright, y'all, to the next one. Appreciate the love and support. If you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button, and the like button, leave a comment. Appreciate all my support. One.